What's going on, guys? Cody with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel.
SpeedFactory Racing sent us over a map sensor, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the car. Hopefully this fixes our air leaking problem and we can drive it today. That'll be best bet. If not, then what we're gonna do is we're probably just gonna switch out the throttle body, because I have another extra throttle body that I know works for sure, and they both leak, then I'm gonna light the car on fire. Alright, now that we got the map sensor installed, we're gonna go ahead and go on to the tune that I had on the car, and I got an update saying that we have that map in, and then we'll try turning it on and see if it runs okay. So we're gonna head into map sensor, change it from the stock 1.75 bar to the SpeedFactory Racing. Oh, they don't have the SpeedFactory Racing 3 bar? Damn, I'm gonna have to look up the settings on that real quick. So on their website, it doesn't show what the actual scaler is and the offset. It shows it for the 4 bar, but not for the 3 bar. I saw on a forum now that someone had put that it's 11 for the offset and 617 for the scaler. I'm gonna try it and see if it runs. Oh my god, my laptop just died, bro. Give me a second. Okay, so we got the laptop back on and we got the tune loaded up. Let's turn it on and see if it still runs like crap. Nah, it's still leaking, bro. Yeah, man, I'm gonna try changing the throttle body. Yeah, it's still leaking the same way. By the sound, you gotta see which one's not firing. That one's good. That one's not firing. You see how it doesn't change sound? So for some reason this one's not firing. I don't know why. It's the injector. Injector wire wasn't in all the way, it feels like. But now it sounds perfect.
Still sounds like a lawnmower to me.
Yeah, it is a lawnmower, but if it keeps doing that, we might have to change that jumper. Because now it's running, it sounds perfect. We see it moving and if it cuts out again. Yeah, this wire is no good. Again, we're probably gonna have to change that, because it seemed like either the
jumper wire,
it could either be the jumper wire that's going from the stock harness to the RDX injector, or it could be something in the harness, like there might be a loop somewhere, maybe somewhere it's touching, but right now it's running okay, so we're gonna take out the block.
Yahoo! See that? That's why Daddy loves cars, honey. Because eventually it comes together. Alright, let's see him run.
I forgot we took out power steering.
Oh, we took out power steering? How did we do that? Oh, what the heck? harm, no foul. Here he comes, here he comes. Ay, pero what is...
So it's running smooth, but the exhaust is hitting.
Oh, it's the exhaust?
Yeah, the exhaust is hitting a little bit, but it's actually running great. It actually
Can you
runs
fix
really
the
well.
exhaust tonight
I
or
can
no?
try real quick putting it on, but it's just hot.
And the power steering, why is that off? What is that?
We deleted it.
What is that, a wire that we need to buy or?
No, we took out the whole pump and everything.
Why did we do that?
Honda thing.
You know what? Maybe get into medicine, little one, okay? That sounds like it makes more sense. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend.
Hello there.
What are some things that are concerning you or that you want us to look into while you're driving?
I just don't want it to be too rich or too lean. Like I do want it to kind of stay around 13 to 14. Because I'm not really gonna be, well, I can't really floor it right now. I had put too much fuel in it when it was running rough, thinking that it needed fuel, but it was just the
sensor?
It was the injector that was bad. Not bad, but the wire that wasn't connecting right.
Dios mío, ay Dios nos bendiga.
Plug shield's nice. No, it's definitely too rich. Bro, this motor sounds good though.
How are you feeling? What are
Feels
some
good.
of the biggest concerns right now? Like you're driving it, what are you thinking of or looking for
The
when you
first
drive
like
it?
20 miles are like very crucial for breaking in the motor. So I really want to make sure that the ring sees. So I do want to make sure we can get some decels and stuff. I shouldn't have gone this way. I had to go somewhere where I can drive a little bit more consistent.
Right, but what I'm asking is like, what are you looking at specifically? Like I know you're looking at the O2 sensor.
Yeah, making sure that the O2 doesn't get too rich or too lean, and then just feeling the car and just really just revving it out and dropping it down. Like right now, just making sure it's not running like crap, and then just driving and just feeling it a bit. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so we've been driving it. We've put about 24 miles on it, doing like engine braking and stuff to see if we can kind of like break it in a bit. We're gonna head home now. I'm gonna put it on the ramps. I'm gonna drain the oil. I'm not doing the oil change tonight because that's a lot to do right now. But I'm gonna drain the oil to get all the oil because it's definitely gonna be any kind of like metal shavings or anything like that is gonna be in the block right now. So we wanna get that oil out of there. And then once that oil's out of there, we can put new oil. And then once new oil's in, we'll do it again. So we'll see you at the house. So I never filmed an outro for this video and I'm editing it now and I just realized. So we got back, we did the 20 miles, whatever, all great and dandy. When we got back, I drained the oil. I let the oil drain for the night, covered the cap. The next day I took the filter out, replaced the oil. So the car has fresh oil in it. So next video we're gonna be driving it again, keep on with the braking in cycle till the point where we'll be able to do maybe like another 1 or 2 oil changes and then we'll start really ripping on it. But no, car is driving good. Car is actually responding well to everything. So yeah, guys, any questions you have, feel free to let me know. Any comments, any suggestions, anything you guys notice here, like, yo, let me know. If not, I'll catch you guys next week on the next upload. Any questions or anything you have, comment down below, message us on Instagram, any of that, and we got you. See you guys next week.